Let us remember, in a fraction you have the numerator and the denominator. Numerator always on the top and the denominator always on the bottom. This concept we have learned in our last video, right? We are familiar with this. Let us understand how to add fractions. When you add fraction, make sure denominators are same. Keep the denominator same. Add the numerators and simplify the fraction if needed. Let us take some examples and make more clear regarding this concept. In this fraction, first we need to check the denominator, right? These are like fractions where the denominators are same. Then the next step is add the numerator. Here 8 plus 6 is 14 and keep the denominator same. So we have got the answer 14 upon 9. Let us see some more examples. You can also try with me. Observe these fractions. These are like fractions. The denominators are same. So carry the same denominator and add the numerators. 5 plus 6 is 11. So we get 11 by 9. In the second example, that is also a like fraction. So carry the same denominator 7 and add the numerator, which is 6 plus 3 is 9, and we get 9 by 7. I am sure you must have understood the addition of like fractions. If we are given two different denominator fractions, how can we add them? Let us see. Observe these given fractions. 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 both have different denominators. So these are unlike fractions, right? In this case, we have to make the denominator equal. So we have different methods to do this equal denominators. Let us see one by one. First method will take the LCM of both the denominators 4 and 6. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now we know that the common denominator for both these fractions is 12. So let us find out how can we make these fractions denominators 12. Before doing that, remember one thing. Whatever number you multiply to get the denominator 12, the same number you have to multiply with the numerator 2. Here, in this case, 3 upon 4 can be multiplied by 3 to get the common denominator 12. In the second fraction, 5 upon 6 you can multiply by 2 to get the denominator 12. Now you have got the denominator 12 in both the case. Now these are like fractions, right? Keep the denominators as it is and sum of the numerator 10 plus 9 is 19. So we get 19 by 12. Let us learn one more method to convert unlike fraction into like fractions. Observe these fractions. These are unlike fractions, right? To add these fractions, first step we have to do is make your denominator the same number. The easiest way is to multiply the first term by the number of the second denominator. Then do the same for the second term. Do not forget, if you do it to the denominator, you need to do it to the numerator as well. Multiply your numbers. As you can see, you will get the same denominator for both terms. Now, since you have the same denominator, you can add the numerators, right? 15 plus 8 is 23 and the denominators remains the same, 10. So here is our answer is 23 upon 10. The last step we need to do is that your fractions have to be in the lowest term. In this case, 23 by 10 cannot be reduced more. Look at this example. These fractions are unlike fractions, right? Denominators are different. We will make the denominators same by another method. So when these 6 and 12 are in the same table, multiply 6 by 2, you will get 12. 6 2s are 12, and there is a second denominator as it is 12, keep it the same. The 12 is the common denominator now. So you can add numerators, which is 2 plus 1 is 3 and the denominator is 12. Now we have got the answer 3 upon 12. But see, you can simplify this 3 upon 12 by dividing 3 both the numerator as well as denominator. You will get 1 upon 4. In similar method, let us see one more example. Observe these fractions. These are unlike fractions. First we'll make it like fractions. By seeing the numbers 15 and 5, we can say 5 can be converted into 15. 5 3s are 15. So multiply both numerator denominator by 3. It gives us 6 upon 15. Keep 11 upon 15 as it is and write in place of 2 upon 5 is 6 upon 15. Since denominators are same, we can add the numerator. 11 plus 6 is 17 and we get 17 upon 15. Since we cannot simplify 17 upon 15, we can write this fraction into mixed fraction. Here we got the answer 1 2 upon 15. Now will you add this on your own? Yes. First observe the denominators. These are unlike fractions. Make them like fractions. Add the numerator and write denominator as it is. We get 19 upon 16. Since this cannot be simplified, you write this into mixed fraction. Let us see how can we add the mixed fraction. As you remember, a mixed fraction is a combination or sum of whole numbers and a proper fraction. We know this concept, right? Now let us use this concept over here. In this, we'll show whole numbers and fractions separately. Now we have 2 plus 1 upon 8 and 1 plus 3 upon 8. Adding whole number is easy, so we'll add whole number 2 plus 1 is 3. And you can see here the fractions are in like fractions, so we can add numerator 1 plus 3 4 and the denominator is 8. But you might notice the fraction part can be simplified. 4 upon 8 simplifies to 1 upon 2. That gives us 3 1 upon 2. Ready for one more example? Let us find addition of these mixed fractions. So, when you add mixed numbers, you can just add whole numbers parts to get the whole numbers and the fraction part to get the fraction addition, right? In this case, whole addition is 5 and the fraction addition, since it is like fraction, you can add the numerator and the denominator as it is. We get 19 upon 15. Observe here, it is an improper fraction, which means its value is greater than 1. Can be converted into mixed number, right? This concept we have learnt in the last video, right? Now we have got the mixed fraction is 1 4 upon 15. Now again add the whole number separately, that is 5 plus 1 and 4 upon 15 fraction separately. You get 5 plus 1 is 6 and the fraction is 4 upon 15. So the final answer here is 6 4 upon 15. Always remember in this method, write whole numbers and fractions for given mixed fractions first. Then make different group of whole numbers and fractions. Then do the operation on whole numbers and fractions separately. There is one more method to do the addition of mixed fractions. Take this example. First, we'll convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. First fraction 2 3 upon 8 will be 19 upon 8. And the second fraction 3 5 upon 8 will be 29 upon 8. Now we have got two new fractions. Now we are familiar with addition of fractions, right? So here you can see these are like fractions. So add the numerator and keep the denominator same. And the addition of fractions is not really hard if you know the concept. Here we get 48 upon 8. Oh, this fraction can be simplified. We'll simplify by dividing 8 both numerator as well as denominator. We get 6. Always remember, simplify whenever you can. It is a good habit to get into simplify. Let us see this last example. Let us first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 1 upon 5 gives you 11 upon 5. 3 2 upon 3 will give you 11 upon 3. We get two new fractions, 11 upon 5 and 11 upon 3. Since these are unlike fractions, convert them into like fractions first. Then add the fractions. We get 88 upon 15. This is how we can do addition of fractions. I am sure you must have understood the concept. It's really not that hard once you get the concept. As I always say, maths requires practice, so keep practicing. All the best, students. See you soon with new concept, with new video.